Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on CTSI. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price end of CTSI has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. Now, let's move to the live chart. And this was the wedge that we broke out on a daily time frame chart. You can see that since after the month of January 2024, it was moving inside this wedge. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, rejection, and finally the price and broke out the resistance. And after the breakout, the price and retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support and geared up and went very close to this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 20 cents and goes to 32 cents approximately. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously working as a very strong resistance here, and resistance here, and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance right now. During this price correction, we are very close to test this very long-term uptrend line support. That is, by the way, coming from the month of April 2020. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now the pricing can hit this support somewhere here, approximately at 12.5 cents. And over there, we have another quite strong price level horizontal support as well, because this 12.5 cents was previously working as a support here. And for several weeks or months, it has been working as support here. And now again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of CDSI. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for X and no, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 6th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of CDSI. And first of all, let me to show the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, the price end was moving inside this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. After getting squeezed inside this wedge, price and broke out the resistance of the wedge. By the way, before the breakout, the price and also tested this very long-term uptrend line support as well, along with this long-term support of 10 cents. And by the way, this uptrend line support is a quite long-term, because if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support is coming from the month of May 2020. We had a bounce here and the bounce here, and this was another bounce before the breakout from the wedge. And after the breakout, the price and also tested this long-term uptrend line support here as well in the month of November 2024. And now the price is about to test this uptrend line support once again. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 46 cents. And before that, we have a very long-term resistance zone from 27 to 32 cents. And if the price and reaches here to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, then we can also break out this long-term resistance zone as well. And after the breakout, it can be flipped into a long-term support zone. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this previous and long-term down channel, that technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between $1.70 to $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.